Hello, my name is Lilia. Welcome to my channel. I'm really sorry for just going MIA on you guys. I know my last video was I think 2 or 3 months ago. So many things have been happening. I've not really had time to film videos here on YouTube, but I've been active on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at Lilian Okibe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my flat twist. After my last video, I got a lot of requests from people asking me to do a detailed video or a detailed tutorial on how I make flat twist. First off, I need to warn you guys that I'm not a pro at making flat twists, so this is not like a professional flat twist tutorial, but I'm just basically going to be showing you guys in this video how I do flat twist on my hair. The style I'm going to be doing today is all back. I've already done like 2, what Nigerians call all back. So basically I'm going to be making all my flat twists going backwards. I've already cut out like this section of hair at the back. When I make all back, I like to cut out a section of hair at the back just so that I do regular braids there, because when I do all the cornrows or flat twists going straight down to the back, I notice that I experience a lot of tension. Like when I bend my head down, like it just puts too much tension on my hair, like at the back, and I end up having bumps and stuff. So that's how I like to do my cornrows or flat twists. So without any more talking, let's just go jump straight into the video. So what I'm going to be using today are a rat tail comb, pair of scissors, and my Avaluxe. Don't know if you guys can see this. Avaluxe Natural Butter Dream. I'm not using shea butter today because I washed my hair yesterday. And I styled with shea butter. I put my hair in like chunky braids and I styled with shea butter. So I have like enough shea butter in my hair. I'm basically going to just be using this on my end just to make it coil up a little bit. You're going to see what I mean as I go on in the video. So I'll start by making neat parts in front. I'm doing, I think, like medium-sized sections. So I only make the parts neat in front because I don't have time to make neat parts all the way to the back, and the parts at the back will end up being covered at the end of the day, so I don't bother to make the parts neat all the way to the back. So after making it neat to like about 1 inch, I start to do the rest with my hand. When you're making your parts, you want to reduce the thickness of the hair as you go down, because for most people, like, the front part is wider than the back. So you want to make it to be, you don't want to end up making everything equal, like making it back, and then when you're making it wide, and then when you get to like this portion, you don't have any hair at the back to braid or cornrow all the way down. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So you want to make this part, the front, bigger than the back. Like I said, I washed my hair yesterday, and yesterday I styled and detangled my hair. So my hair is not actually tangled right now, so do not need to spend too much time detangling. So now to flat twist, you take out like a little portion of hair and divide it into 2. You want to start from where your hair starts. Then you divide that into 2, and then you start to twist. I'm done flat twisting all that hair. As you can see, there are 2 sections. I take out some hair from each of the 2 sections. And I take out some hair from here too. So now I have like 3 sections. And I start to braid. I like to do it this way because this helps to keep the flat twist in place. Like if I just go ahead and twist it all the way down, it's not going to be tight enough. Take my curl scissors and cut out any hair, loose hair that is hanging. Tie that around my finger, and this is the point where I add my styling cream, just like a little bit at the end. Then I add some also my edges. We're going to do this again, just help you guys master it. So take my rat tail comb, part my hair. First take out some hair in front, divide into 2, then start to twist. As you twist, you pick some hair, add it to it, twist. Then for the next one, before you bring it forward, you take this, add some hair, make it to a twist. For the other one, before you bring it forward, take it, add some hair, add some hair, twist, bring that forward. The next one, take it, add some hair, twist, bring it forward. Next, take it, add some hair, twist, bring it forward. Take some hair from both sections, So that's basically all I do until I'm done flat twisting all my hair. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to do the rest off camera. So now I'm done flat twisting all my hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of the styling cream all over my hair. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.